Do you know what a plow is?
I think you're going to need to be a little bigger for today's job, Big Red.
I love magic. It makes everything more exciting.
Wow. You look so much bigger. I can't believe that's you.
Let's go! We made it to the field. Jake, let's hook up the plow and get started.
I think it's around here somewhere, Big Red. There it is!
Wow, this is really heavy.
Now let's talk about why we plow the fields. We plow to turn the soil over. This helps mix old plants back into the ground. It also makes the soil softer and ready for new seeds. Plowing helps air and water move through the soil, and that helps our crops grow strong and healthy. After we plow, the field is covered in long lines called furrows.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Almost done after a long day of hard work.
See you next time.